Okay, the Livo2 Prime server requires a login. If you splash on the main page, you should access the login button here, which you can actually do from any page, and it will reply with a form like this. So membership only. Type in your, in this case, you'll type in your email address. And the system will send you an email. Now, if you've told Livo2 not to send you emails through our server by unsubscribing from the list, or if your email client has sent the email to spam, you'll have a problem. Okay, so I received the email that says log in. So if I click the link, it will log me in. In this case, I'm going to paste the link into the browser, and it shows me the default protocol table. Once we're logged in, you should be able to visit or review any protocol in the table. So at this point, you should be able to access all of the protocols and content on the Prime server. If you land on a page and get a request access, please just go to the login option, enter your email address, and go back through and log in, and then go back to the page that you were looking for.